I'm Adam Sloan from University of Maiduguri, Faculty of Basic Medical Science. I'm here to say Happy World Anatomy Day. Thank you.
Happy World Anatomy Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Maureen Boniface from the Department of Anatomy. Happy World Anatomy Day to you guys.
Welcome to our electron room. This is where we study electron microscopy. It is basically our electron machine in which we carry electron microscopy. This is the only electron microscope we have in northeastern part of Nigeria. So basically, the electron microscope has some parts which we have the electron gun, which is the source of our electron beam. Then we have the series of electromagnetic lenses that passes through this electromagnetic lens. Then we have the photographic plate where you can actually view your specimen or tissue in an eyepiece. So the electron microscope has some parts. We have the cooling system, and we have also the pumping system, which is used to keep the electron microscope out of distant dust. So the basic function of the electron microscope is to view specimens or tissues beyond the light microscope. As we all know, the light microscope can only view up to 1,000 magnification, while the electron microscope can view up to 20,000 times. Then also the electron microscope also gives us view of all the organelles that we cannot view under the light microscope. So basically, you can see that the electron microscope is very, very big. It consumes a lot of space here, so which means it generates a lot of heat. So to maintain them is a very tedious job to do. Thank you.
My name is Abaya Mustafa Abatar, a student of Human Anatomy, Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences, University of Maiduguri. I'm here to say my inspiration and my dream of furthering my studies in forensic science after completing my BSc in Human Anatomy. I would like to give an overview of what forensic science is all about. Forensic science is gotten from Latin word forensis, which means criminal justice. So with this, I can say that forensic science is the branch of science that deals with the individualization, identification, and evaluation of physical evidence for criminal justice. In forensic science field, there are many more fields exciting because I got forensic science as a multidisciplinary field. So we have forensic pathology, forensic anthropology, forensic toxicology, forensic DNA analysis. So among all these, I would like to specialize further in forensic anthropology, which for me is very exciting. Why? Because it is the examination of bones and skeletal tissues to study the cause of death, to evaluate some physical abnormalities or some special characteristics. And as well, it helps to determine in some other cases the cause of death. Having a solid foundation in human anatomy will give me much more knowledge, vast experience in specializing in forensic science. Why? Because the study of the functions and then the structures, both internal and external of the human body, is essential. Forensic science in other countries is known as criminalistic, with specialization in fields like ballistics, odontology, fingerprints, and documentation. And it is derived from some basic branches of sciences like chemistry, physics, and biology.
Good day, everyone. My name is Samai'la from University of Maiduguri. Here we are in gross anatomy laboratory. Aside the normal study of gross tissue on cadavers, we also do what is called mortuary science and museum technique. And in mortuary science and museum technique, we do bone maceration techniques. Bone maceration technique, this is a field whereby we retrieve bones from the cadaver. And as you can see, this is a skeleton that has been articulated by staff and students in this department. And also, these are some of tissue that are being kept or preserved in a perspex box. These are some plastinated reptiles we have in the lab. And as you can see, these bones are some bones of animals like elephants that may go into extinction, and we have preserved it for museum purposes in our lab. Actually, this field of anatomy, that is museum technique, can explore a lot of skills for anatomies. For instance, bone articulation, plastination, and many more. Thank you.
That will share with you my love for genetics and why I found this subject so captivating. Genetics is the study of inheritance and how genes are passed from one generation to another. Unraveling the secret of genetics is like peeling up different layers of an onion. Each layer yet revealing different knowledge and information of genetics. In a nutshell, genetics is much more than transfer of genes from one generation to another. Happy World Anatomy Day!